Hey guys, it's Jaden with Rhino CCF Hunting, and guys, today, aka San Diego, from these videos, just quickly going through them, is episode 14, volume 6, aka the final chapter of the UNBOXED.
That's right.
So without further ado, just like I introduced every video, let's get into it.
All right, before you do that, we have an audience tonight. We have a special guest. Hey there, Keanu. Exactly. All right. Well, we have an audience. Here you go.
Okay, I feel something there. I don't feel anything here. Or actually, this is a pretty simple. Watch this. If I cut my finger, guys, I'm gonna get some cut finger cam action right now. Alright.
That'll be the time my camera finally focuses.
This guy is using a beer can cardboard. Like it's.
Hey, if they're trying to protect the stuff.
Why do I find this so? Oh, tape. There's no way of coming around this one, guys. I'm so friendly. How's it going? Okay. It is really don't want me to get into trying. Oh, this guy literally just taped it to the back of cardboard. Alright. Okay.
You're gonna protect it.
Who's the man now? Beer, not on my servers. Alright. I swear, I hate tape. Guys, I used to love tape. Tape is so helpful with so many things. But it's like when you're doing a haul unboxings, like every second, it's just like tape becomes your worst.
You have no problem with it on Christmas.
Yeah, no problem. You see me, dude. Listen, guys, I'm like a bear fighting just stand. Okay, I will just freaking nuke them apart. There it is. Sweet. And if you guys hear that noise in the background, it's Keanu being a little punk. Have it. Alright. We have it out. There's no sleeve or anything, so
Okay.
it is.
What do we have here?
We have a buffalo.
Oh, we do?
Yeah.
A buffalo.
Well, this ain't just any buffalo. This is beer can. Okay. Android, get on it, please.
I can't read that. It's faint. Can you see it?
I can't wait. Just pick it up for 1 second. Sorry, guys. Interrupting cam here.
Use the coin magnifier.
19.
1919. Are you sure? Grab the magnifier and look.
Yeah.
Why not?
I checked there, but. 1919.
Sweet.
Let's place that. Oh, you want to show the back?
Yes.
Alright, let's show the back. Oh, fuck. Rip in the chat, guys. It's a four-legged boy.
And mint mark is usually right below the 5 cents. And I don't see one. But again, I will always check these things out further and update them for you, so you know how many were minted and kind of red book value and things like that that they can go for. But wow, the detail on that one is beautiful. Sucker. Why does it have 4 legs? Should have 3.
No, let's just take a little smoke.
No thanks. Let's keep it straight. All right, here we go.
Alright, guys. Now listen. I think the tape is advancing because you see this right here. You want to come and get a shot of this?
What?
The freak is that tape? Why are
Yeah.
you playing me like a fool?
Yeah, they're taping it.
Gosh, dude, this guy literally.
Just cut it.
I know, but it's just like, just why? Why waste so much tape? You could tape your kids' Christmas presents. You could tape your wife a Christmas present. You could tape yourself a Christmas present. But it's just like, no, let's seize it on eBay coins. Oh, okay. Trying to rip the snake out of the hat. Oh gosh. All right, here we go. Oh, what do you know? Tape. Who would have thought? Oh my lord, dude, this is okay. I'm just gonna feel the crease. Cut. Welcome to making things more complicated than they have to be. Generally, if you guys do like the video,
Is it 1 coin or what is it? Oh, it is?
Yeah. This guy's got this thing folded up so much, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna rip one of them out. Ooh. Why did I just smell it? It's like...
Did you say it smells like a buffalo?
It's a little hint. I swear, this is honestly my least favorite part of unboxing is actually unboxing. And it's a bunch of Amazon paper. God, you smell that in Bill Girls right now? This right here.
Might be a buffalo.
Definitely not a buffalo, I can guarantee my life.
Oh, that's not?
Right now. Oh no, it's a buffalo. I was just joking. This is the... I swear if I had long fingernails, guys, I'm telling you, this would have been just such an easy unboxing. There. To all those people that do sell toys on eBay, listen, let me give you just a little tip to make people want to come back to you. Don't overcomplicate things, okay? It's a buffalo. I'm just going to assume right now, unless this guy just throws in a gold coin, and then I'll be like, dang, that's pretty good.
Well, I didn't buy a gold coin, so if they threw one in.
Buffalo Wild Wings. I'm gonna go for some Buffalo Wild Wings right now.
It does sound good.
Gosh, okay, this is where it's thick. This is why it's thick boy paper right here. Alright guys, we're gonna really have to improvise here. We're gonna have to just pop it out because the paper is getting just thicker.
What the?
I want it to die. Alright, let me Alright, another. Guys, it just gets me difficult here. I'm sorry guys, I'm really trying. We did it. We found the jackpot, guys.
Is there more in there?
Okay, I think this should be the final one. Oh look, see how many times he's folded this?
Yeah.
Alright. Are you kidding me? This guy put two of them on top of each other. Alright,
That's
so
fun.
we got a bunch. So
Good. Okay, one at a time. So let's move that one off.
and by the way, guys, since this is the finale, just realize why these are just a tad bit longer than usual. Okay? Alright. I'm gonna head to Nickel K now. Peace out, guys.
Oh yeah, with buffalo nickels.
Okay, so let's go.
Nickel
over each one.
arcade.
Can you imagine if we get? Okay, this one's a clear date as well.
Okay.
So it's a 1936.
Oh yeah. Okay, flip it over and let's take a look at the back.
Alright, since we got so many, we gotta make this just a 4 legs, man. Oh my, man, come on. Why you?
Oh yeah, there's a mint mark on the bottom under the 5 cents.
How can you tell?
Right underneath the C.
Look, okay, guys. Since
Yeah,
we
grab
were-
the magnifier and take a look.
Is this like when people check them?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, there it is. Oh, is the mint mark like the letters?
Yes.
I've been an idiot, guys. Listen, I thought mint marks were like different things this entire time.
No, it tells us where it was minted. So what is it?
It's a B.
B. There's no B.
B for S. I'm joking, guys. It's BS. S.
It's an S.
It's an S.
Nice. So
just
it's a
wanted
1936S?
1936S.
Sweet.
Just wanted to do a little goof and a gag for all my adult watchers. I have no idea what the date on this one is because I haven't checked, so.
1927.
27, I think that's a 3.
Hmm?
I think that's a 3.
Nope, it's a 2.
Oh, it's a 7, okay. It took a 3 for me. Gosh, I wish I
Alright,
had-
let's take a look at the
I
back.
wish I had perfect nose structure like this guy on this coin.
See if there's a mint.
Gosh.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, there's a mint
I
mark on
think
the
these
back.
are all minted.
Okay, let's take a look on that one.
You are? Alright. This one's an S as well.
Sweet. So a 1927S.
I thought for a second it was a D. Can there be D's on it?
Yeah.
Okay. But no B's. Wow. B's truly fun.
Now S is for San Francisco Mint, D is for Denver Mint.
That's what the. Okay, now I
Yeah.
understand, guys. You learn something new every day. This was a 1936.
Yeah. Nice. Okay, go ahead and flip that over. Let's take a look.
Welcome to the finale, guys, by the way. Thank you for all sticking with us through this journey. Remember to pay happy trees. And let's say 4 legs, so I want to buy.
And no mint mark.
Wow. What a dud. Throw that out.
Right, no.
Going with
that's-
Nickel Cade right now.
Alright, it's beautiful. Okay.
Trying to be sure we don't mix them
So
up.
what year was that again?
1936S.
Okay. No, not an S. There was no mint mark.
Oh, no mint mark. I'm just like so used to thinking mint mark. Not okay. This one's a 1924.
Okay.
I feel like, do we really even need to show the front by this point?
Oh, yes. We want to see those coins.
People just want to see that perfect nose structure.
It is.
That guy's got like the perfect nose. Like, guys, listen, that's some Kim Kardashian nose stuff right there. That's a nose jobs. Okay, you gotta go get surgery for that. Like, that doesn't just happen normally.
So 1924. Beautiful. Good. I like that the dates are legible. That's nice.
Come on, pranked again. There's no mint mark.
That's okay. No, it doesn't always have to have a mint mark. If it doesn't, that means it comes out of the Philadelphia mint.
Again because we didn't have we have 4 lines.
So Philadelphia mint, Jaden, can say a P on other coins, but if there is no mint mark on it, it's a Philadelphia.
Man, guys,
Just so
seriously, you learn so much stuff in
Yep.
one day.
Okay, let's get to the next one.
1925. Can there be 1825s? Oh, wait.
Not on a buffalo.
1925. Okay, alright, we'll focus on the name. I'm really trying to keep the center.
Yeah, very faint, but you can see it. Yeah, so the date's about worn, but you can still read it. It's 1925. Okay, let's go ahead and check the mint mark.
Right. We have an S.
Okay.
Close up on that.
Nice.
Guys, listen, I'm really thinking about,
Yeah.
going back to the future to where these people printed the coin with the buffaloes
Yeah.
and cutting all their one legs off. Okay, sorry guys if you're all.
And then we promised to share with y'all.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get to the next one.
All right, we're ranking to our final 3. No, we saved the best for last, guys. Okay, thought I'd let you know that right now. Okay, we have a 1935.
Ooh, that one's nice and shiny. Wow. The details on that one is amazing.
Yeah, dude. Seriously, y'all focus on the details. I'm focused on the nose structure, man.
That.
Look at that nose structure. Seriously.
Let's go ahead and check out the mint mark on
I'd
it.
kill for a nose like that. Alright, of course, buffalo's normal. And then, no, well, there is a mint, but it's not there. So that means that it's a Philadelphia.
Yeah, good job.
Oh, wow.
Let's see the back.
Great job, keep it up.
Wow. That is a detailed coin.
Gosh, man, that bowl looks, dude, I'm so hungry right now, man. Take me to Buffalo Wild Wings right now. Order me a set of your blazing hot
That
wings.
is a very good strike on that coin.
Mm-hmm.
Good details. All right.
Alright, guys, the final 2. I'm
down
so
to 2.
excited to open this. Okay, there's been a lot of hype from Dad. Okay, 1930. That was perfect. That one just laid down.
Good one again. Dang.
And guys, we're trying to come up with excuses. Honestly, what we're actually doing is just showing you the nose structure, okay? So just thought I'd let you know that.
That is good. Okay, go ahead and flip it over.
S. 4 legs. Man, I swear, dude, seriously. Great score. It's 4 legs.
Yeah. You can see the details all the way in the face, the mouth,
Got a good outline.
the eyes, the tail. Okay.
Alright, final one. You guys ready for this? Yeah. Ooh, 1923. Very faint.
Okay. Check the mint mark on the back too.
Philadelphia. 4 legs.
Okay, 19. So this is a 23 faint.
So nose structure shot and down. Wham! I'm gonna boom.
Nope, you can still make out the dates. That's
I'm gonna boombox careless whisper out this guy's window.
good. Okay, go ahead and flip it over. Let's take a look at the back. All right. Okay, so that'll wrap it up on that. So good.
Alright, guys.
Thank you.
Now listen.
Okay.
Legend says. I'm just gonna put this. It's basically a bunch of buffalo. Listen. Listen, guys. It's not every day. I'm just mentally preparing myself. Actually, because this is about to be great. I want to be sure I don't cut anything. Guys. Oh yeah, try to cut the bubble wrap. You just need a little cut, and you're like, oh my lord. Okay, ready for this? Wham! Not to be so beautiful. Empty. Oh, dude. Christmas festive up in here. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm really excited. Okay. It's got the guy's stuff.
All right.
Alright. You've got the V.D.B penny now, guys. The staple's in there. And you know the writing's on it, so bear with us. That is 1909.
Oh my gosh, look at the strike on that.
It's beautiful.
The toning, the details.
That's a spicy pizza.
Now let's flip it over because that's where the V.D.B will be. So that's not a 1909S. So this is, go ahead and lay it on there and then I'll focus in on the V.D.B. Oh, look at the back of that.
Watch as we were just pranking. This actually is in a V.D.B and the guy just liked
No,
it.
it is a V.D.B, guys.
How can you tell?
Right on the very bottom of the wheat.
Oh, there it is. What?
And that's the initials for the gentleman that created it. So a 1909 V.D.B, not an S. That would have been super sweet. But this right here is one of my favorite. Look at how pretty, the tone, the cut. Jaden, flip it back over to the front really quick.
Okay.
V.D.B, 1909. What? Oh, look at that. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, guys. Well, this is going to go ahead. This is the end of our haul. And right now, come on back in the picture, Jaden. Hold up that V.D.B. It's not every day you're going to be holding a 1909 V.D.B. That is just amazing. All right, but we appreciate all the love, support, and everything in the community. Our channel's grown. We appreciate you. Please tell your friends and family, anyone that would have interest in our channel. We definitely, spend a lot of time on recording and editing and putting things up, but we love to do it, and we're enjoying this as a family. And go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, hit the alert bell so you can be notified of our future videos when they're coming out. We still have a lot more coming. I still have a whole other group of eBay stuff coming in, so buy it up out there in the market while you can. Silver's down, it's cheap, so we're loving that. And we're also getting into our coin roll huntings as well. So we appreciate everything. And if there's anything special that you guys are looking for, any questions or comments, just let us know. Jaden, you have anything else?
Well, guys, happy holidays. We are approaching in, guys. It's almost
right there.
All right, so if you guys enjoyed the video, please do what the boys said back there.
All
As
right.
always, we'll see you guys in the next video.
All right, guys. Thanks. Happy holidays.